everyone, and welcome to our course on decision making. I'm really excited to guide you through the strategies, tools, and considerations that will help you become a stronger decision maker in both your personal and professional life. Decision making. To begin, let's just establish a common understanding of what decision making truly means. At its core, decision making is basically the process of identifying a problem or opportunity and then selecting a course of action from a set of available possibilities. This sounds simple enough, but in practice, it can be quite complex. That's because the process encompasses many elements. Information. What do you already know and what further data is needed? Coming to values, what are your priorities and underlying beliefs? Emotions. How do you feel about your choices and their potential outcomes? Logic. How can you most reasonably evaluate your alternatives? Why decision making matters. Making effective decisions is crucial for success across countless areas of life. Good decisions can lead to goal achievement. Whether personal or professional goals, decision making is actually the path to forward moving. Problem solving. Decisions help us address obstacles and overcome challenges. Resource optimization. Resources like time, money, and energy are all impacted by our decision making. Personal growth. Learning to analyze situations and make informed choices builds confidence. The scope of decision making. While major life choices might first come to mind, decisions come in all shapes and sizes. Think about the many decisions you have already made today, from seemingly minor choices like what to wear or eat to significant ones like what tasks to focus on or how to handle a work issue. Each choice builds our decision-making muscles. Wrapping up, this lesson serves as our foundation. We have defined decision-making, seen its importance, and realized it's something we practice constantly. As we move forward, we'll dive a bit deeper into the steps, tools, and psychology that will empower you to consistently make the best possible changes.